Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great? Para. We've got para for you. So RAI picked this up at 1629, and this has been a nice move, almost straight up to that 1719 mark before it had a little bit of a pullback, sitting at the highs of the day. And this is a case in which news actually mattered. If you look at this daily, the 15-minute chart, you can see there was a lot of action in the 15 or in the pre-market. That's the tan area right here, and something about takeover interest for this company. Okay, somebody might be wanting to take them over, so that caused the jump. And again, our AI picked that up at 1629. That was the opening candle. In fact, the opening 15-minute candle. What was the time? Actually, right at 9:40. And from then, again, I mean, this was straight up until, right here until 10:15. So a nice 45-minute move, and now it's been chopping around a little bit. And who knows? Maybe it has another move into the close. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, to everybody, I want to get back into our room. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.